600 light-years from Earth, orbiting a distant sun-like star, lies a planet that has fascinated astronomers and dreamers alike. Welcome to Kepler-22b. This planet was first spotted in 2011 by NASA's Kepler Space Telescope. What made it extraordinary? It was the first planet ever confirmed to exist within the habitable zone of a star like our Sun, where liquid water might flow and life might thrive. Kepler-22b is roughly 2.4 times the size of Earth. That means more gravity, a lot more pressure, and a world that's as mysterious as it is massive. Now imagine this. You've just landed. You open the hatch of your ship, and you step out into the unknown, the sky. It might appear bluish or greenish, depending on the atmospheric composition. The light from its star is softer, golden similar to Earth's, but not quite. And the moment you take a step, you feel it. The weight, the gravity here could be double what you're used to. Walking feels like wading through wet cement. Your gear strains. Every movement is effort. But the temperature? Surprisingly mild. Kepler-22b orbits in the Goldilocks zone, the region where a planet isn't too hot or too cold. If it has the right atmosphere, it might support oceans, rainfall, and maybe even familiar weather patterns. But don't get too comfortable. This planet might have an incredibly dense atmosphere. That means cloudy skies, constant mist, even torrential rains lasting for days. And beneath those clouds, there might be vast oceans stretching beyond the horizon. Islands, if they exist, would be rare and remote. This could be a true water world. If you dove beneath the waves, assuming the oceans are even swimablued, encounter immense pressures. The gravity alone would crush most submarines not built for deep-sea dives. Even your suit would groan under the strain. And what about life? If anything lives here, it would have to be tough, low to the ground, thick-skinned, maybe bioluminescent to shine through the endless clouds. Think mosses, algae, or entirely alien organisms adapted to a world of weight and water. For humans, survival would mean adaptation. You'd need specially engineered suits to move, machines to pressurize your living quarters, artificial light to grow earth crops in this dim, cloud-covered world. Even the simple act of breathing might be difficult. If the air contains too much carbon dioxide, you'd suffocate. It's a little oxygen and you'd lose consciousness in minutes. And yet, there's something breathtaking about it all. A planet that could, in theory, hold life. A second home not just in science fiction, but in science fact. But could we really live here? That's still a massive unknown. We haven't measured the mass precisely, or confirmed the atmospheric makeup. For now, Kepler-22b is a mystery, a maybe, but what if? Someday, we send probes. What if we send settlers? Could we terraform Kepler-22b? Could we adapt ourselves to a world that's twice as heavy, endlessly wet, and far from home? That's a question for another day, another mission. For now, Kepler-22b remains a cosmic what-if, a reminder of just how vast and how strange our universe really is. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy exploring the edges of science and imagination, like this video, and subscribe for more weekly 60-second experiments and deep space dives, drop your thoughts below. Would you live on Kepler-22b?